Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pradeep, Associate Professor, Department of Applied Science at Mangalmay Institute of Engineering and Technology, Greater Noida. Today, the topic of my lecture is laser. First of all, we will understand what is laser light and also study absorption process, spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. तो LASER laser. Laser stand for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. लेजर क्या हुआ? लेजर मीन्स लाइट एम्प्लीफिकेशन बाय स्टिमुलेटेड एमिशन ऑफ रेडिएशन. नंबर फर्स्ट पे हम पढ़ते हैं क्या होता है एब्जॉर्प्शन. व्हाट इज एब्जॉर्प्शन और यू कैन से एब्जॉर्प्शन प्रोसेस. सी द डायग्राम. We have two diagrams. First, it is E1 ground state, energy level of ground state E1, E2 upper state, or you can say excited state. At initial position, total number of atoms remain in ground state. When a suitable frequency is given to the ground state, it jump to the upper state. So you can see when the energy E is equal to h nu is given to the atom, it jump from ground to upper. क्या सिचुएशन हो जाएगी इसकी? This type. In case of absorption process, when an energy E is equal to h nu is given to the ground state, it jump from ground to upper. The phenomena is known as absorption process. It is before, after. Before में क्या था? Before में initially position ground state था. Energy is given to ground state and the atoms jump to upper state. Probability क्या होगी? इसके लिए probability होगी P12. It means it jump from 1 to 2. 1 2 is equal to B12 U nu. B12 Einstein coefficient, U nu energy density. Number 2, spontaneous emission. Spontaneous emission. At initial position, the number of atoms remain in upper state, but after taking 10 to the power minus 8 second, it come back to lower energy state and emit a single photon. This phenomena is known as spontaneous emission. Initial position, you can say before and after. Before में क्या बता रहे हैं? Initially position, the atoms remain in excited state. After taking 10 to the power minus 8 second, it come back to lower energy state and emit a single photon of energy is equal to h. The phenomenon is known as spontaneous emission. इनिशियल पोजीशन में आपकी ये आ जाएगा. उसके बाद क्या होगा? उसके बाद जब ये लोअर एनर्जी स्टेट में आएगा तो सिंगल फोटोन एमिट करेगा जिसकी एनर्जी होगी E is equal to h. And the probability mathematically P21 is equal to A21. It means it is independent of एनर्जी डेंसिटी. or you can say there is no additional energy will be given to excited state. It has already E is equal to h nu energy. 10 to the power minus 8 second is the time duration in excited state of the atoms. So number third, stimulated emission. Yes, in this process we have laser light. We can obtain laser light in stimulated process. Initially position, the number of atoms remains in excited state or excited level. After taking 10 to the power minus 8 second and under the influence of electromagnetic field, an additional photon is given to excited level. When an additional photon is given to excited level, one atoms already have in excited level, both the atoms collision to each other, and after taking 10 to the power minus 8 second, it come back to lower energy state and emit double photon of emission. You can see double photon of emission which have same frequency, same amplitude, same direction. This light, this radiation is known as laser light. You can see E1 is the ground state, E2 is the upper state. In case of stimulated emission, the atoms remain in excited state, but under the influence of electromagnetic field, an additional energy is given to excited level. Both the atoms are collision to each other. After taking 10 to the power minus 8 second, it come back to lower energy state and emit double photon which have same frequency, same direction, is known as stimulated emission or laser beam, laser light. You can see laser amplification by in which process? That is stimulated emission. In this process we can achieve laser light. The probability of stimulated emission will be P21 is equal to B21 unit, where P21 is the probability from 2 to 1, B21 is the Einstein coefficient, U nu is the energy density. So this topic has been covered. Thank you very much.